everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive app keeps logging out automatically. First of all, check your iPhone settings for any profile or security app that forces to sign out. Then you are going to ensure your Google account is not affected by a policy work accounts may log out. Then you're going to go ahead and open your app store, search for Drive, and then see if there is an update button available in there. If there is, then make sure to update your account to the latest version. Sign back in, enabling stay signed in. Quick fix: remove and re-add the Google account under iPhone settings or mail accounts and relaunch Drive. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.